guys, it's Jessica. So I am unboxing my AliExpress order. I want to tell you that I got these diamond art paintings from the Hibah Hibah store. And I have some mixed results. I did open them, I filmed this video, decided I didn't like it, so I'm filming it again. So they're not first impressions, but I'm going to correct some of the things that I forgot to say the first time. So first of all, I wanted to share the toolkit that comes with these and compare it to Diamond Art Club. So you get the placer tool, you get one thing of wax, not two, and you do get a tray. These trays don't have the funnel, which the Diamond Art Club trays have, which is super useful for getting your drills back into like storage containers, so I'll probably actually use the Diamond Art ones. I like that Diamond Art Club has two pieces of wax because my wax tends to either disappear or get dog hair. It's nice to have extra, but I do have some of those extra too. There also isn't the multi-placer tool, which obviously I still have, so I don't need again, but it's nice to get. And there's not the squishy to help you with the grip. So that is something you get with Diamond Art Club, which is a little bit nicer and more expensive than you get with this particular AliExpress order. So next I wanted to show you the canvas that I like. So this one, you can see, this canvas cost me $4.90. The canvas is a little bit wrinkled. It came like folded, not rolled, so I'm going to lay it out. I'm going to flatten it. I like it. You might see that there's kind of a lot of confetti dots, not a lot of multi-placing at the top, but you could probably do some multi-placing at the bottom. There are 20 colors. I don't think there's any A-B. You'll see that the colors are all by letters. There's no symbols. And on this particular canvas, I feel like it's pretty easy to tell what the letters are, so I won't need to use a light box. So I'm pretty happy with this. The drills, they just look like normal drills. Nice and sparkly, lots of variety of colors, lots of pinks. I like pinks. Like I said, no A-B. These are round. And the one thing is that they just have the number on it. So like for instance, this is number 12. It doesn't have like a DMC number. But that's okay. I mean, the canvas is done by number, so that's good. So then I have a second one that's smaller. It was only $2.94, and those include shipping. I'm not happy with it, unfortunately. So I don't know if you can see this. You can see that it says, "Be full of joy." Or it's supposed to say, "Be full of joy." If you can actually see it up close, you'll notice because of the detail, oh gosh, my nails are awful, sorry. Because of the detail, the horizontal bars in the F, they're just not there. Obviously, anytime you get a small picture, the pixelization, because of the size of the diamonds, is going to prevent you from having detail. So in this case, I have a canvas that says, "Be lull of joy." Probably what I'll do is just move the F over a little bit and then like make up for it myself and just kind of try to fix that area so you can see it. I love the way the cotton plant looks. Really, it's just that F that's the problem. I feel like, you can see the word joy pretty well. Everything else looks good. So this one has 18 colors. Some are letters, some are symbols. And when I'm looking at it over here, I don't know if you can see this, but I can't tell very well the differentiation because it's so dark. So I probably will have to use a light box on this one. So here I have my drills. They all look good. There's actually, I don't see a lot of trash drills. My Diamond Art Club was kind of like half and half, where my first painting, the rose, had no trash drills at all. Almost no drills that were useful. My second painting, the wish granter, the butterfly, I had tons that were just these little bead circles, like a sprinkle, and then some that were like half drills, and the little ones especially were such a pain in the butt because they would get picked up on the tool, but then you couldn't place them, you had to dig them out, or they would get caught between the round drills. So I'm hoping that when I pour these out, I find that my first impression was correct and there aren't many trash drills. So obviously this is just an unboxing. I just gave you my first impression. I also do like that this is clear plastic. I've seen some that have the solid over it, and I feel like that's hard because sometimes, like, if I'm doing this color C and I just have a couple left and I'm done down here, I might be like, oh, let's peel them off and just put them over here, where if it's the solid color, you can't see what you have left. So I am happy to see that this has the clear on it. I really like this picture. I like the small size. I think that it's hard to find a painting that's not going to look too pixelated in a small size, but I'm happy with this one. I think that there's only so much room on the walls, so I do want to do some small diamond paintings. Also let you get some done. So I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing, and once I get into it, then I will do kind of show and tell of what I finished and let you see like what I thought of the adhesive. Would I buy more of the AliExpress? Would I go more to Diamond Art Club? I do hope to buy more Diamond Art Club in the future. But really, I'm just loving the diamond painting and hoping to do a lot of it as time allows. Thanks for watching, and please like this video and subscribe if you want to see more.